Did you know you can use Coca-Cola to help propagate banana plants? It might sound unbelievable, but some gardeners swear by this method to boost root growth and speed up propagation. So, does it really work? Or is it just another gardening myth? In today's video, I'll break down exactly how Coca-Cola affects banana propagation, the science behind it, and whether you should try it yourself. Stick around to the end because I'll also share some expert tips to help your banana plants grow faster than ever. Why do we use Coca-Cola for banana propagation? At first, using Coca-Cola on plants sounds strange, but here's why some gardeners believe it helps. Sugar boost. Coke is loaded with sugar, which some believe feeds beneficial microbes in the soil, promoting root growth. Acidic pH. The mild acidity in Coca-Cola, due to phosphoric acid, may help soften tough banana cuttings, encouraging new root formation. Nutrient content. While not a fertilizer, Coke contains trace amounts of phosphorus, an essential nutrient for root development. Moisture retention. Some say the syrupy consistency helps keep the cutting from drying out too quickly. But does it actually work? Let's test it out. How to propagate bananas using Coca-Cola. Here's the step-by-step process if you want to try this gardening experiment yourself. Step 1. Select your banana sucker. Bananas don't grow from seeds. They grow from suckers, also called pups. Choose a healthy sucker at least 12 inches tall with some root growth. Step 2. Prepare the cutting. Carefully cut the sucker away from the main plant using a sharp, sterilized knife or spade. Trim off any damaged roots. Step 3. The Coca-Cola treatment. Now, here's where things get interesting. Pour 1 cup of Coca-Cola into a bowl. Soak the base of the banana sucker in Coke for 30 minutes. This is optional, but you can mix the Coke with water, 50-50 ratio, to reduce sugar buildup in the soil. This step is believed to stimulate root activity and break down tough plant tissues for faster growth. Step 4. Planting the banana sucker. Choose a large pot or a sunny spot in the garden with well-draining soil. Dig a hole deep enough to cover the sucker's roots. Plant it and water thoroughly, but avoid overwatering since banana plants dislike soggy roots. Step 5. Ongoing care. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Place the plant in full sun. Bananas thrive in warm conditions. Feed with a balanced organic fertilizer every few weeks for strong growth. Does Coca-Cola actually help? Results in science. Now, many of you will probably ask, does this trick really work? Some gardeners report faster root growth, while others say Coke does little besides attracting ants. The truth is that Coca-Cola won't magically speed up propagation, but its mild acidity might help break down plant tissues, making it easier for roots to develop. The key is balance. Too much sugar can harm plants and attract pests, so if you try this, use Coke sparingly. There are also few other alternative options available. A better alternative would be rooting hormone, which is scientifically proven to speed up propagation. Honey, a natural antibacterial rooting aid. Willow water, which contains natural rooting hormones. Pro tips for growing bananas. Faster, mulch heavily to retain moisture, as banana plants love humidity. Use compost, since bananas are heavy feeders and need rich organic matter. Avoid planting too deep. Keep the sucker just at soil level to prevent rot. So, can Coca-Cola help propagate banana plants? It's worth experimenting with, but it's not a guaranteed success. A better approach is using healthy soil, proper moisture, and essential nutrients. The real keys to growing strong banana plants. Have you ever tried using Coca-Cola in gardening? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your results. If you found this gardening experiment interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another creative gardening tip. We post a new video every few days to share new ideas and gardening tips with our fellow gardeners. Happy growing, and we will see you in the next one.